Pour flour into the boiling water. After doing it this way, I don't want to make it any other way. In a pot, start by adding 500 ml of water. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, mix well. Next we'll add oil, but you can also use butter. Here I used about 2 tablespoons. After mixing, let it heat until it starts to boil. Once it starts boiling, we'll now add all our flour. I'm using about 2 cups until reaching the ideal consistency. After mixing and cooking, remove it to the counter while hot and knead until smooth. This is the perfect texture. Transfer it to a container, then cover and let it cool. With our dough now cold, just take it, open it, and start shaping. For filling, I'll use sausage here. Once done, now in a container with water and also in a container with some breadcrumbs, just dip it first in water and then coat it with breadcrumbs. After that, fry them in hot oil. Now just wait until they start to brown. And this is the perfect doneness. Let them drain on a paper towel. And look everyone, how incredible our sausage rolls turned out. Make these at home because I'm sure everyone will love them. A super quick, easy, and very inexpensive recipe. I hope you all enjoyed it. See you next time and thanks!